Hello everyone! I'm Franklin Joy D. Prangan from Tenjoy. You can visit my channel by clicking my picture under this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My video is about making deviled eggs. We need to wear PPE for our safety before we begin.
These are hairnet or hairband, gloves, and apron. So let's go!
The ingredients are 6 eggs large size, mayonnaise 1/4 cup, mustard 1 teaspoon, white vinegar 1 teaspoon, salt, black pepper 1 teaspoon, paprika, and parsley. Procedure. First, boil water in the casserole pan and wait for it to boil. Second, when it has boiled, put the egg. Wait 12 minutes. Third, when it is cooked, take it out and put it in tap water or cold water. Wait at least 2 to 3 minutes before taking it out of the water. Fourth, gently peel the hard-boiled egg. And cut it in half. Fifth, separate the yolk from the egg white. Use a spoon to remove the egg yolk. This is what the egg yolk is removed from. And this is the yellow egg that we separate. 7. Use a fork to break it apart until they crumbling and resemble croissant. 8. Add 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon white vinegar, 1 teaspoon salt and pepper. 9th, use a large fork to stir everything together until it's nice and creamy. Put it in the piping bag. Put the mixture on the egg white that was removed earlier. Add some design to make it nice. Put the parsley, tomatoes, pepper, and paprika. This is the finished product. that's all for today. Thank you for watching.